The toucan is characterized by its disproportionately large beak relative to its body size. Toucans exhibit a diverse range of beak colors, including yellow, orange, green, and red, varying across different species. The toucan's beak, despite its size, is remarkably lightweight due to its hollow internal structure. The beak's internal structure consists of a network of hollow, bone-like tissues, contributing to its strength and lightness. This unique composition allows the toucan to wield a large, visually striking beak without significant energy expenditure. The hollow structure of the toucan's beak is an adaptation that balances size, color, and weight for optimal functionality. Toucan plumage features a striking contrast between a predominantly black body and vibrant patches. Neck and chest plumage can vary in color, including white, yellow, or orange, depending on the species. Toucan species exhibit size variations, ranging from approximately 30 to 60 centimeters in length. These plumage and size variations contribute to the diversity within the toucan family. Toucans inhabit the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, especially the Amazon region. The toucan's natural habitat is characterized by dense arboreal environment. Toucans primarily live in trees, rarely descending to the forest floor. The arboreal lifestyle of toucans is well suited to the rainforest environment. Toucans' physical characteristics are adapted for life in the trees. Toucans primarily feed on a variety of fruits found in their natural habitat. The toucan's diet also includes insects, showcasing its adaptability as an omnivore. Small reptiles are occasionally consumed by toucans, supplementing their nutritional intake. Toucans sometimes consume the eggs of other birds, adding protein to their diet. These diverse feeding habits classify the toucan as an omnivorous species. Toucans exhibit social behavior by living in small, cohesive groups. Distinctive calls resembling croaks serve as a primary form of communication within toucan groups. These vocalizations facilitate coordination and maintain social cohesion among toucans. The toucan's social structure enhances their ability to find food and protect against predators. Living in groups allows toucans to share information about resources and potential dangers. Toucan social interactions are crucial for their survival and reproductive success. Toucans play a vital ecological role in seed dispersal within forest ecosystems. Toucans consume fruits and subsequently spread seeds throughout the forest environment. The toucan seed dispersal contributes significantly to forest regeneration processes. Effective seed dispersal by toucans enhances biodiversity within the forest. The toucan's feeding habits directly support the sustainability of the forest ecosystem. Seed dispersal by toucans is crucial for maintaining the health and resilience of tropical forests. Deforestation is a primary threat to toucan populations due to habitat loss. Illegal wildlife trade significantly reduces toucan numbers, endangering their survival. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting toucan species and their rainforest habitat. Protected reserves provide safe havens for toucans, allowing populations to recover and thrive. Sustainable practices, such as ecotourism, can support both conservation and local communities.